through experiencing low performance in Fortnite, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to improve performance. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like resolution, shadows, textures, and effects. Setting everything to low or medium can significantly boost frame rates. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs that may be causing issues. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Fortnite, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources, allowing your computer to allocate more power to the game. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the Epic Games Launcher. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help improve performance and stability. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can provide a significant boost in performance, making for a smoother gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Fortnite performance. Enjoy your gaming!